Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning too.
Thank you for being willing to accept this interview test. First, let me introduce myself. Saya Luntungan HRD in this company.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Herda. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Pekanbaru. I'm a graduate of Islamic Senior High School Nurul Jamaah and now I study at Management Department, Faculty of Economics and Social Science at Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Kasmiyong.
Okay, what work experience have you?
I have never worked, but I'm confident that with the abilities I have, I can work in this field to the next stage.
What skill do you have?
The skills I have are that I can speak English well, can use Microsoft Excel, can manage data, and I have good communication skills.
Okay, what is your reason for applying for a job this company?
I was attracted by the reputation of this hotel and I want to be part of a professional team with the skills I had to develop my skills and advance my career.
That's enough for today's interview. When